Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I bring you the SketchUp Dimension Challenge. I'll start by going to a Google window and typing SketchUp for Schools, and then launch the G Suite Marketplace, and then choose Launch again so you can get in SketchUp. We are getting ready to build items that can be printed, so we need to switch to the correct measurements. Do that by clicking the word New Model, then choose Simple Template Millimeters. Let's delete this gentleman on the screen by clicking on him and pressing the Delete key. Before we start, let's save our work by clicking Untitled and naming it the Measurement Challenge. It asks what folder we want to put it in, click SketchUp, and then hit Select, so that our work is saved and we may continue. The first step of this project is to click the rectangle tool, choose the rectangle tool, click the origin and let go, and then type 100, 20 for how many millimeters our first shape is. I'm guaranteeing you that's the first shape. Notice we can't see it. That's because we've been working in feet and inches, and now we're working in millimeters. So we need to click the bottom tool and choose Zoom to Extents so we can see our cool shape. That allows us to zoom down to its tiny size, and then we need to add the dimensions to prove that it's perfect. When you click the Dimension tool, just click the first edge, click the last edge, and then pull away a little bit to mark it as 100 millimeters. For the next one, click all the way away from that shape, click on the other front edge, and label it as 20 millimeters. Those are the only measurements I'm going to tell you in the movie. For the rest of the movie, you need to look at this picture. And that's what you need to do, is draw a 100, 20, and then start adding the other parts. I'm going to prove to you that this distance is 45 high. This distance is 55 high. This distance is 5 millimeters wide. Notice I zoom in so that the labels are easy to see. I'm going to show you that this distance is 30 millimeters high, and so on and so forth. So you just have to look at this movie and find all of the possible measurements, and then build an exact copy without me explaining the tools. Alright, you can look at this video, and I'll let you watch it as many times as you need. I'm going to show you once again. You've got your 45 for this gap. This will be 30 high. Remember, that's 100. This is 10. When you demonstrate your perfection, make sure you mark all of these as well. This cylinder is 30 high, and it's got a 5 radius or a 10 diameter. It is 15 millimeters back. This hole is cut out. It's a 10 by 10 with 5. And this hexagon on the front is 10 millimeters down and then 5 on a side. And then if we look at it from the side, it has a length of 20 millimeters. So without any actual steps, you need to build and label this exact same shape using SketchUp for Schools. When you're done, call me over, show me the measurements, and you'll be able to head on to the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.